Welcome back to the Craftsy Trinkets channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a funny and adorable story about two little girls that I hope will make you laugh. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to support me. The Great Doll War and the Case of the Missing Cat. Na and Misu were next door best friends. So close that every morning Na would run over to Misu's house just to check if Misu's cat, Bong, had eaten breakfast yet. But their friendship faced a major challenge last Saturday afternoon, all because of a beauty pageant for dolls. Na brought over her Miss Universe doll named Elsa Cloud Hair with a sparkling princess dress and silky, carefully brushed golden hair. Misu was not to be outdone, presenting her queen doll, Barbie Blue Eyes, who was wearing a gown homemade from coloured toilet paper. "My doll is prettier," Na declared, hands on her hips, her face tilted up. "Look, her dress is from a brand. My mum bought it at the supermarket." Misu pouted, cradling her doll. "So what if she's pretty? My doll is more talented. She can sing." With that, Misu cleared her throat and let out a piercing, off-key, la la la, imitating Barbie Blue Eyes' singing voice. Na covered her ears. "Oh my gosh, is that singing or screaming? My doll can even do ballet." Na then took Elsa Cloud Hair's hands and spun her around clumsily, causing the dress to flare out and nearly sending the doll's head flying off. The argument reached its peak when the two girls decided to host a Miss Universe doll competition right there in the living room. The judge was none other than Bong, Misu's lazy tricolour cat, who was dozing off on the sofa. "Now we will let Judge Bong decide," Misu announced solemnly. She placed Barbie Blue Eyes right in front of the cat. Bong lazily cracked open one eye, gave a long yawn, and then shut his eyes again to continue sleeping. "See, he's not impressed with your doll." Na laughed triumphantly. It was Na's turn. She gently placed Elsa Cloud Hair next to the cat. Suddenly, Bong started rubbing his head against the doll's golden hair, seeming quite fond of it. "Aha! The judge has chosen my doll." Na jumped up and down with joy. Misu was furious, refusing to accept the harsh reality. She yelled, "That's not fair! You spread pâté on your doll's hair, didn't you?" "No, I didn't," Na retorted. While the two girls were bickering, Bong suddenly stretched, grabbed Elsa Cloud Hair in his mouth, and shot out the window like a bullet, disappearing into the garden. Both Na and Misu froze. The tense atmosphere vanished in an instant, replaced by utter panic. "Oh my gosh! Bong! Bong has kidnapped my Miss Universe!" Na burst into tears. Misu was also frantic. "Oh no, what do we do? If my mom finds out Bong is a thief, he'll lose his dried fish privileges." And so, the Great Doll War instantly transformed into the Rescue the Hostage and Restore Honor to Bong the Cat campaign. The two girls rushed into the garden, one armed with a stick, the other with a mosquito racket, shouting at the top of their lungs, "Bong, give back the doll!" "Elsa Cloud Hair, where are you?" A moment later, they found the kidnapper, sunbathing on the roof of the shed, with the hostage lying carelessly beside him, her sparkling dress now smeared with mud. Looking at the scene, neither of them could hold back their laughter. They looked at each other and burst into fits of giggles. The anger from moments ago had completely disappeared. That evening, the two girls washed and groomed the battered Elsa Cloud Hair together. Barbie Blue Eyes was also consoled with a new dress made from higher quality paper towels. Misu whispered to Na, "Hey, maybe tomorrow we can have a competition to see whose doll is dirtier." Na nodded enthusiastically, grinning from ear to ear. "Yeah, my doll will definitely win that one." Their friendship was as strong as ever, and perhaps even stronger after such an unforgettable incident. Having a new friend means having a new joy. Comment below and let me know your best friend's name. Now let's get back to our main task for today. Let's stick on the most beautiful stickers in the entire universe. Just kidding, but just having stickers to play with is fun already. Hehe. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Goodbye and see you next time.